Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about 6 human needs. Now, this 6 human needs theory was given by Tony Robbins. Tony Robbins is a motivational speaker. I have read his books, I've seen his videos, and I'm so influenced by him. So I thought that I should talk about those things, and I should, if I want to add one more thing to it. So he says that there are 6 human needs which we need as human beings to be happy, to be complete, to be satisfied in our life. So first human need is certainty. It says that assurance you can avoid pain and gain pleasure. So you want to be certain that you can avoid pain in your life, and you want to be certain that you can gain happiness in your life. So that is the certainty. That is the first human need. The second human need is variety. And you all would have experienced that if you're doing the same thing again and again every day, you'll get bored with it. You need a variety. You need something different. Right? Third thing is significance. Now, significance is a very important need, very crucial need. We all want to be, we all want to feel unique. We all want to feel important. We all want to feel that we are needed, whether it is your family, whether it is your friend circle, whether it is your society. You want to be needed. You want to be to feel important, unique. Then fourth human need is connection or love. Everybody on this earth want to be loved. Now, love can be of different kind. It could be a love of a mother and a child, father and a child, brother and sister, friends, partner, right? But we need some kind of love in our life. Then we got, he's got growth as fifth need. We all want to grow, whether it is your professional life, whether it is your personal life, whether it is a relationship. You want growth in it. If there is no growth, you'll feel stuck, right? So growth is a very important factor to achieve completeness or happiness in life. Then contribution. Now contribution, which is the sixth part, so it's a sense of giving something in return of nothing, right? So it's a feeling which you achieve when you do something good to someone. A lot of people in Western society, doesn't matter which society you go to, they do things for the community, they do things for people who are in need, they do things for their parents, for their friends, where they don't receive anything in return of it, because that makes them feel happy and fulfilled, complete, that they have done something good, regardless of anything in return, right? So these are 6 human needs, which, according to Tony Robbins, and he's a very good motivational speaker. If you haven't seen, there are a lot of videos on YouTube. You can go and check them out. He is amazing person. He have changed life of a lot of people. But here I want to add one more thing, and that one more thing is spirituality. See, a lot of people experience everything. They experience everything to extreme. It could be, love, it could be hate, it could be so many different feelings, emotions, wealth, everything, right? But you will find them that they're not happy with it. People say that money bring happiness, money bring, it can make you happy, it can make you feel complete. That's not the case. If money was bringing happiness and completeness, then Bill Gates, Mark Zuckerberg, Steve Jobs, they should be the happiest people on planet, but they are working more harder to get more. What do we really need? So we need to understand this criteria. To satisfy our physical need, right? So our body needs what? Body needs food, body needs water. If you do not feed food and water to your body will go in starvation mode. It will become a cannibal. It will start eating itself, right? So we need food and water, which is very important. Physical need. Then we have created the whole performa around our life. We have created this camouflage that we need to maintain a status in the society. So if you're living in a society, you have to have a house, you have to have a car, you have to have this, you have to have that. Do we really need it? If we don't have a car, would we survive? Yes, we would. But we need the latest car, we need the latest computer, we need the latest phone, right? Why? To satisfy the need to maintain the status. So that we can say that yes, we are maintaining ourselves in the society, right? So we are doing everything for physical and psychological needs, but we are not doing anything for a spiritual need. What are we doing for spiritual need? We got a psychology, we got a physicality, and we got spirituality, which is a spiritual. You got a spiritual body inside you, right? So you are fulfilling all the requirements of psychological requirement, all the requirements of physical requirement, but you're not satisfying the requirement of your spiritual need. You will always have that hollowness inside you. No matter how much money you spend on gadgets, cars and whatever, eat whatever food, you will still feel empty inside you because you have not fulfilled the third need, which is your spiritual need. If you spend 10 to 15 minutes a day doing meditation, right? Doing something which could fulfill your spiritual need. Now again, spiritual need, a lot of people connect it with religion. It has nothing to do with religion. Spiritual means if you are helping someone, that can help you gain spirituality. If you are spending time with the universe, with the environment, you will see that you will start fulfilling your spiritual needs. Sometimes people start aligning them with religious practices and stuff like that, but instead of fulfilling it, sometimes it starts draining it out. Because a lot of religion, and I'm not taking a name of a religion, I'm saying about almost all of the religions, they have their own agenda. They are not even doing anything, practicing anything spiritual in particular. Like, I'm not saying not all of them, I'm saying most of them. Some of them are still doing it, right? Now, to gain spirituality, you don't have to go anywhere. You have to close your eyes, dive in within you, and you'll find your spiritual need right inside you. It's just there. You just need to find the right way of doing it. You keep on doing it, you will find the right way to doing it as well. So you need to bring balance. Balance with physical need, psychological need, societal need, and your spiritual need. When you bring balance to all these things, all these four things in your life, you'll find that you will not suffer from depression or anxiety anymore. It will go, because now you're fulfilling everything. And you don't have to spend hours and hours to do one particular thing or that particular thing, no. You must have designated time for everything. So you got time to work, 8 hours to 9 hours gone to work, then you must have time for your family and friends, you must have time for your spiritual need, whether it is taking care of the animals, plants, whatever. And then you must have time for fulfilling your own inner requirement. When you do that on regular basis, then you will find balance in your life. A lot of people say, oh, I do spiritual stuff, oh, I do take care of animals once a week. That is not going to cut it out. It's too low. The amount is too low. If you start feeding yourself once in 2 days, you will starve, because your body needs more. Depending on the size of the body, your body needs more. If your body needs more on regular basis, same thing is with the spiritual requirement as well. It needs on regular basis. You need to find time, whether it is half an hour, 30 minutes, 40 minutes, 15 minutes. You need to find time on regular basis. Once you start fulfilling those things, you will find balance in your life. You will find that you will not have any issue which will come in your life and you can't deal with it. You can deal with it without any substance, without alcohol, without smoking, without anything. You will deal with it and you will have no issues. I hope you liked the video today. If you like it, please like it, share it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe it. I'll bring more videos for you similar to these.